हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम बात करेंगे सेंट बोटेनिका परफ्यूम्स की। उन्होंने 4 नई फ्रेग्रेंसेस लॉन्च की हैं, जिनकी आज हम बात करेंगे। तो अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, देन प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू से कि ये जो फ्रेग्रेंसेस हैं, इनकी क्वालिटी बहुत ही अच्छी है। ये बिल्कुल चीप स्मेल नहीं करती और बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल हैं। मैंने ये स्मॉलर पैकेजिंग ऑर्डर की है। ये जो छोटी पैकेजिंग है, ये 400 रुपये में रिटेल करती है, बट आप इजीली इसे डिस्काउंट में कहीं से भी परचेज कर सकते हो। सो जो 100 ml की पैकेजिंग है, वो उनकी बॉटल्स बहुत ही खूबसूरत है। So let's start with the first fragrance, which is Carolina Amber, and it has notes of African orange, cedar, and jasmine. It has a beautiful citrus opening with the orange, and then the jasmine takes over, which makes it more aromatic. It has a beautiful woody dry down, and also this fragrance reminds me of Glam by Bella Vita. So if you check the note structure between the two, that is very similar. एंड ये जो फ्रेग्रेंस है, ये 90 to 95% सिमिलर है ग्लैम से। ठीक है, इसका जो ड्राई डाउन है वो मुझे थोड़ा सा स्वीट लगता है दैन ग्लैम, बट अदरवाइज इट इज़ वेरी वेरी सिमिलर टू ग्लैम। एंड other difference is that glam is more projective and long lasting, and that can easily give me 7 to 8 hours of lasting. बट ये जो फ्रेग्रेंस है कैरोलिना एम्बर, ये अभी मुझे 3 से 4 घंटे की लास्टिंग दे रहा है, बिकॉज इट्स क्वाइट फ्रेश एंड अभी इसे ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं हुआ। मे बी विद टाइम इट मे गेट बेटर। If you have glam, then I don't think you need this, but otherwise it's a beautiful fragrance and a must try. And this fragrance is not synthetic at all, it smells beautiful. Next we have Amalfi Citrus, and this has notes of Amalfi lemon, gardenia, and white honey. So it opens with a burst of citrus which comes from lemon, and I'm not a big fan of lemon in fragrances, but here it is done beautifully. It does not feel zesty to me. It's beautiful. That citrus opening lasts for a short time and then florals take over. Gardenia makes it very airy, and that white honey adds sweetness to it. So, overall, it's a beautiful fragrance, and it does remind me of something, but right now I am not able to point out what. But we will figure it out. So, if you know what it smells like, then please do let me know in the comments. So, ये समर्स के लिए बहुत ही एक खूबसूरत फ्रेगरेंस है एंड इट इज़ वर्थ ट्राइंग. सो यू कैन ट्राई दिस फ्रेगरेंस, इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. Then we have Arabian Oud. It has notes of Italian lemon, cedarwood, and labdanum. To me, it is more of a masculine leaning scent because it opens very fresh, but it immediately turns to a leathery or a suede kind of fragrance. It does have a vanilla or amber like sweetness, but it is more suede or leathery fragrance to me. So in the dry down, you get sweet, woody, and leathery fragrance. It is very pretty, no doubt. It is very pretty. But to like this fragrance, you have to like that animalic or that leathery note in fragrances. And it will be more appropriate for winters. But you can definitely try in summer evenings as well. But it will be more appropriate for winters. Last, we have African spice. It has notes of mandarin, geranium, and sandalwood. So, this again is a masculine leaning fragrance to me. It opens fresh with some sweetness, and there is some earthy quality in it, but it is very linear fragrance. Its opening and its dry down is very similar, means ke except that freshness, otherwise that opening and dry down is very similar. So it's woody and sweet fragrance, and it's okay kind of fragrance. I'm not a big fan of this. So lasting of all the four fragrances is around 3 to 4 hours and with mild projection. So overall these fragrances are of good quality. They don't smell synthetic. इट्स ओनली दैट योर प्रेफरेंस कि आप इनमें से कौन सी आपको ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही है, किस तरह की फ्रेगरेंसेस आप प्रेफर करते हो, तो उस पर डिपेंड करेगा. सो अफ्रीकन ऊद African spice was not in that my kind of fragrances. That's why I liked it the least. Otherwise, all the four fragrances are very good. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And please let me know your thoughts कि आपको मेरा content कैसा लग रहा है. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.